Welcome back to Rolling Updates. So today we got a couple things to talk about. I talk about the BLEShark Nano, the Interrupt, the ZeroTrace, and the Diabolic Drive. A couple things going on with those gadgets I want to talk about. Also want to talk about some future projects, the new decryptors, which I'll get into later on. I'm planning on doing some like cryptography and doing some like hidden message fun things with the community. One of the ideas I had was doing a treasure hunt, digital treasure hunt, where the elite few that solve it will get a a server role called the decryptors. These people will be able to talk among themselves when I do puzzles, and I'm going to be leaving puzzles and things everywhere throughout my videos, and especially when I go dark for a while and disappear, I'll be leaving little messages and stuff behind for you guys to follow and learn. My goal with all this is to help you guys think outside the box, but those people that do pass the initiation process will be able to talk amongst themselves, and everybody that can see them. The chat channel will be open, but only the ones that are that make the initiation process be able to talk amongst themselves. But we'll do multiple initiations to get in there. It's something fun. Like I want to make it rewarding. As of right now, this is my idea how I'm going to do it, and then from there maybe do rewards for the people that solve the puzzles. I talked to ZeroTrace. They're willing to do a giveaway to anyone that's someone that solves one of the puzzles. We're working on stuff like that. But speaking of that, so ZeroTrace, what a great discovery. My only route with those guys was not jumping on that device sooner. I honestly thought that it was a social engineering attack the beginning. So someone that understands being a content creator, when you start getting popular online, you get all these companies reaching out to you, and some of them are fake. They just want your information, your location, so they can sell it or do whatever with you. It's steal your identity, break into your systems, etc. So that's what I thought with this one, unfortunately, but I was completely wrong. Really like the device they made, and I'm going to be getting the ZeroTrace Pro. That's coming in the mail soon. They're sending me a care package. I'm still waiting on the BLEShark Nano to send me their care package. That'll probably be sometime in June. Probably around the time I do the unboxing, make the big video for the BLEShark Nano, I'm going to be making the ultimate pen testing gadget video where I take all the gadgets I've collected over the year and a half of me doing the YouTube. I'm going to bring it back even to the kitchen table day, where I'm going to put everything on the kitchen table and go over all the devices, which ones I recommend, which ones I don't recommend, and things I've learned along the way, and maybe some of the best beginner-friendly devices. And then I'm going to make it kind of like a mini movie where I'm going to do like a little flashback of where we started from, but I'll make like timestamps. So if you're just interested in the video for the content, you can skip the intro and the outro. I'll work on it, because I know everyone, believe me, you should hear the comments. Oh, another video like this. I had to wait for 3. It's just, I'm doing my best. Like I don't even do the, hey, if you want to subscribe, hit the button, do that. I don't even do that. I try to cut that stuff out to make it easier for you guys. I mean, I figured if you guys like it enough, you're gonna like and subscribe anyway. And why beg and ask for it? I find that annoying when I go to other channels. I get it. It helps us as creators, but at the same time, it's also time consuming. It takes up a lot of time. So thank you. No, I was at the stop sign first. That's fine. So going to the interrupt. So there's a lot of drama going on with this device. We all know it with things that are going on. So this company first reached out to me. They were going to work together. They said when they get their stuff together, they'd reach back out to me. So they reached back out to me. We're talking about it. And they're to my understanding, they got a final product. They're just working out the kinks here and there. I just think what happened with them was they weren't expecting to blow up the way they did. We do have a lot of influence here on this channel now, and it's thanks to you guys, and I never want to mislead anybody. They're a Kickstarter. I just think we need to step back and just give them a chance. I don't think they have the experience. I think they have a lot of optimistic goals, and they might run into some. To me, like with anything, I watched the BLEShark Nano. They had goals, they had time frames, and then they run into a roadblock. Oh, the manufacturer screwed up the casing, or this happened, or that happened. That could happen with them too. I just think that the BLEShark Nano, they were more organized, and I think they knew more what they were doing and how to communicate with their backers. I think this company's just starting to figure it out. I mean, we're the ones that helped them set up the Discord in the first place. They're starting to answer people in the Discord. I'm trying to help them, trying to be persistent with them. So like, hey, we got to like keep people in the loop. Like that's very important. And I just think they just got a lot on their plate, and there's not that many people that are working on this thing. I think it's just a small group of people. And maybe that explains why they had such a small Kickstarter amount. But still, there's no excuse. They should be transparent, especially they should be answering their backers. And I would just be patient. To me, it's like, all right, a lot happened at once. Let's see. Let's give them the time. Let's give them a fighting chance. I know that a lot of people relate it to the M1, but I feel like to me, like the M1, they weren't really good at communicating. I don't even know if they even have like a Discord server, or even how if they were communicating with people back in the day. I don't even know what's the status of that project in general. If anybody knows in the comments, please let me know. I'm just curious. I did reach out to them multiple times. I never got a response from them. But we'll see. I mean, just like anybody, all these companies that I support, give them a fighting chance. I helped the BLEShark Nano. We're currently helping the ZeroTrace. I would want to do the same for this company too. I can't believe how much they blew up, but I'm doing all this stuff because I want to help. I really think they have a nice product. And we'll see as time goes on. But we should just give everybody a fighting chance. Everyone give everyone a chance. So that's my take on that. That's my whole goal of this whole mission anyway. I'm trying to give and give. I don't expect anything in return. I'm trying to make a difference. People that keep leaving negative comments to me about this and that, oh, you don't know anything, you don't know that. I'm learning. The whole point of this, again, and I keep saying this, I feel like a broken record, I'm sharing my learning experience with you. I've only been doing this for a year. I'm learning a lot. I've never been in this position before, and my goal is to help you. I quit a lot of things. I've dedicated a lot of time for you guys, and I've been nonstop for the year and a half. I mean, it's almost, we're closing in 700 videos in less than a year and a half. Like, that's insane. Like, I'm really trying here. I got companies. There's a lot of responsibility and weight now. I got to make sure I say things the right way. But I'm also trying to help these companies grow. Like, hey, do this. I learned this from this company. Help them. Like, I'm trying to grow the community. So it's just a lot, and I do need a break. I am so burnt out. It's like, and I keep pushing through the burnout because I want to get these projects out there. I got stuff about Diabolic Drive. They got a new update. I'm gonna make a video on that this weekend and hopefully push it out and make a demonstration video how to update that Diabolic Drive. I did a couple other reviews. Spec 5 reviews coming out today too. So as I'm recording this, you know what time I'm recording this. So it's Friday. About a little while ago, I released the full review for the ZeroTrace, and I'm just trying to find. I found the devices I want to work with. I'm done with these Kickstarters. I think I'm done. Like, I need to. It has to be a good investment on their end. I've been doing all this stuff for free. I finally found all the gadgets I want to be associated with. I'm partnered with all the companies I want to be partnered with. So I'm done. I'm done mingling. It has to be serious stuff now. I'm still figuring this stuff out. So as of right now, everything I do is for free to help. But I think I'm done. I got to get into the cybersecurity stuff. I got to get to the next level stuff for you guys. I think that's really important, and I feel a burden to do this. Like, I really, like, it's on me to keep pushing forward. I want to learn and keep sharing my learning experience with you guys. I never want to mislead you. I want to help you, and while I have this platform, I want to promote love, kindness, helping one another, give and don't expect anything back. Return the favor. Like, I'm trying to do that in the tech field. I'm even doing for mental health. I'm trying to do that, spread the love of Jesus. I'm doing much as I can to help. I really am. I'm tired. I'm burnt out, and really excited though, because I don't know if you guys ever heard of Hack Academy. They're a YouTube channel right now, but there's more than that. They make classes and stuff like that. So we're linking up at some point. I haven't made a formal announcement yet, but we're going to be working together on designing classes. So right now we have to pay for the stuff the classes that they have. I think it's like $20 a month or something like that. But what I'm going to do is take the classes and work with them and then make free material. So I'll watch a class and then come up with a fun way to do like a beginner friendly, like a more hands-on learning approach to whatever class it is. That's my goal, like to help you learn the way I learn. and so we're gonna try to work together, me and that group. I think it's Hacking Blueprint, but haven't made a formal announcement about that yet. But that's what I'm working on in the background. I truly am trying to do all this stuff for you guys. So, you guys that listen to this podcast, you know everything going on in my mind. I just ramble about things that I'm thinking about. I think the comments are killing me too, but try not to let it bother me, even though it deep down does. But I'm really trying. So I don't know everything. I'm trying to make a difference. That's my goal here. While I can, I could disappear tomorrow. Things can happen to me. Who knows? But I'm gonna keep pushing forward. So I'm very excited to bring up the Diabolic Drive. I think I brought up everything. But we just gotta give people a chance. Look what we did with the BLEShark Nano. They ran into roadblocks too, but they overcame it. I think the difference with them is that they were so good at being transparent, and they continue to be. They have updates too coming that I'm going to be talking about soon. They continue to refine and make their product better. We got spoiled for that being the first Kickstarter we ever supported. But everybody deserves a fighting chance in this world. So I truly stand by that, and I think that we need to do that too. Let's give people a chance, right? Just like I try to do for some of my content creator friends, I'm trying to help uplift them. I made a whole new community recommendation tab on my YouTube channel. So if you go on my homepage, there's a whole playlist that promotes other YouTube content creators. Some of them don't even know me. There's just small YouTube channels I found that I find significant. I think that would help you guys. Like, I'm trying to promote the community. It's not all about me, and I mean that. So anyway, I think that's enough. I think I talked to you guys enough this time around. I'm sorry, I ramble, but I feel like maybe this is good for me. Maybe it's good for me to vent to you guys and share exactly what's on my mind. Anyway, I don't know. I think my break will be sometime in June after I get done with the major big video. I want to make it like a mini movie where like it's a flashback of how we started the channel, and then kind of like it's going to be like an intro to phase 2, me walking off and disappearing. And I don't know how long I'm gonna disappear for, but But anyway, thank you guys for listening. And remember, safety is an illusion. I'll see you guys in the next video, podcast, or live stream.